Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of exquisite teas with a spotlight on one of the finest offerings out there, the Rishi Tea Jasmine Green Tea. If you're a tea enthusiast seeking the pinnacle of flavor and quality, look no further. Rishi Tea's Jasmine Green Tea stands as a beacon of excellence in the crowded landscape of tea options. Crafted with precision and care, this tea embodies everything we love about the art of tea making. What sets this tea apart? Well, let's start with its impeccable sourcing. Rishi Tea prides itself on sourcing only the finest ingredients through direct trade relationships, ensuring not only top-notch quality but also fair treatment of farmers and sustainable practices. Each sachet is filled with USDA organic green tea leaves delicately scented with jasmine blossoms, creating a symphony of floral aroma and taste with every sip. It's a sensory experience unlike any other, transporting you to a tranquil garden with each infusion. But it's not just about the taste. Rishi Tea Jasmine Green Tea also boasts certified kosher status, adding another layer of assurance for discerning consumers. Whether you're enjoying a quiet moment alone or hosting a gathering with loved ones, this tea is sure to elevate the experience. So, if you're ready to elevate your tea game and indulge in a truly exceptional brew, look no further than Rishi Tea Jasmine Green Tea. With its unparalleled flavor, ethical sourcing, and commitment to quality, it's no wonder why this tea is considered the best of the best. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of Rishi Tea. Until next time, happy sipping.